Ford is recalling a substantial number of its popular F-150 pickup trucks, affecting approximately 870,700 vehicles. The recall comes after a previous recall for other Ford models, and this time it's due to an issue with the electric parking brake. The affected vehicles are model year 2021 to 2023 F-150S equipped with a single exhaust system. The problem arises from potential damage to the brake's wiring, which could lead to an unexpected activation of the electric parking brake while driving. The damage might occur due to contact between the rear axle wiring harness bundle and the rear axle housing, causing wear and exposing the wiring. Such an unintended activation of the parking brake could result in a loss of control, posing a risk of a crash. To address this safety concern, Ford dealers will perform necessary repairs free of charge. The remedy includes installing a protective tie strap and tape wrap, as well as replacing the harness if required. Ford will begin notifying affected F-150 owners on September 11th. Ford's number for this recall is 23S35. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can reach out to Ford directly, or check the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's website for more information by providing your vehicle identification number. Safety is a top priority, and Ford aims to address the issue promptly to ensure the well-being of its customers. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Best regards. Always your Jeremy from TheDriveG.